Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now students, we are going to start exercise 3 from chapter 21. Question 1, find the area of the given figures. So students, look at here, it is A and one square is given to you. Length is 2.2 centimeter and breadth is 2.2 centimeter. It is a square, right? Now we are going to find the area of a square using this side. Let us find out. Now students, question 1a, area of this square. So students, in the A figure, this is length 2.2 and breadth 2.2. Using this side, we will find out area of the square. What is the formula to find out area of the square? Side into side. It means length into length is equal to, length is given to us 2.2 centimeter. So 2.2 multiply 2.2. Now students, 22 multiply 22 is equal to 4.84 square centimeter. Let us do multiply 2.2 multiply 2.2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Second digit turn comes, put 1 0. Second digit turn comes, put 1 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now let us do addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 as it is. So students, the answer will be 484. But here is decimal places, right? So how many decimal places are there? 1 and 2. Total 2 decimal places are there. So put the point after 2 number in the answer from the right side. 1, 2 point. So the answer will be 4.84 square centimeter. So students, whenever we are find out area, write down unit square centimeter. Whatever unit is given to you, but square we have to write. Next, B, 4.7 centimeter length of the given figure and breadth is 2.5 centimeter. So students, it is a rectangle, right? Length is 4.7 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter is breadth. So using this length and breadth, we will find out area of the rectangle because it is a rectangle shape. Answer B, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. It means length into breadth. Now students, look at here, it is a rectangle shape. Length is given to us 4.7 and breadth is 2.5. So length 4.7 multiply breadth 2.5. So 4.7 multiply 2.5, the answer will be 11.75 square centimeter. Let us do multiply 4.7 multiply 2.5. Now students, 5 sevens are 35, 35 is 5, 3 carry, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. Okay. Second digit turn comes, put 1 0. 2 sevens are 14, 14 is 4, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So students, let us do addition now. 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 4 7 and 2 plus 9 11. In this way the answer will be 1175. But now students, here 2 decimal places are there. So put the point after 2 digit in the answer. 1 2 point. 11.75. So students, the answer will be 11.75 square centimeter. I hope you understood it. Now students, C and D you have to do as your homework. Look at here, it is a rectangle shape. Okay, so using these two sides, you have to find out the area of rectangle. Next, D, one square is given to you. The side is 3.9 centimeter is given. So using this side, you have to find out area of square. Thanks.